Anyways, we are back. This is gonna be my brother's video.
3 logos in one.
Yeet yeet. I'm your cameraman for today.
Alright, so we have this gray color. Can you look at it? Can you look at it? Alright, we're gonna lay the quarter panel right now.
Here goes the wrap color right here.
This is, don't worry about what it is. This is a color that we're gonna wrap the car in. So we're gonna put you on the tripod and we're gonna start wrapping this quarter panel. It's already prepped, clay bar, alcohol white, nice place tape on the door, jam. So yeah, all we're gonna do is roll this out and cut the door out and start laying it. So far, we got everything done on the car. Well, most of it done on the car. I already laid one of the over fenders and put it back on the car. What it looks like right now. So you gotta do the gas cap, but I'm trying to do all the kit today. So all that's left is the bumpers and the hood. So you gotta tuck this stuff in, but we laid the roof already. We got the trunk steel. I'm gonna just try to do as much as the body panels I can. It's all looking pretty good. Able to do this thing in one piece. So that's pretty good. We're probably gonna do the other side fender, over fender, and then after that, we'll see what we do because I'm not sure. Probably put the door back together today. Put the handle. I still gotta wrap the handles in the mirrors, and then put all this back together. But we're making good time on this thing. It's Tuesday, so we started on Sunday. Car's almost done. So the car's already done. Got solid time lapse. We already finished the trunk. Door handles are done. Everything is already done. We have the kit right there. And the rest of the kit over here. This is where we're gonna end this video. Next video, we're gonna be installing the coilovers on the FRS. What is up, guys? We're back with another video. This is the outro. All right, so it's been a month since the car's been wrapped. I haven't had time to really film an outro, so we did kind of rush the progress of this wrap since we had to take it to that meet, which is kind of a dead meat, but that's it right now. It's not 100% done, but it's good enough to where I will drive it. But that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna take a little bit of cinematics of the car as is right now. So this is gonna be it for the wrap video. They got more parts to install. The car right now is probably like 80% done. And I think that's about it. Probably that video will do a photo shoot with Dre. Y'all meet him sometime, probably in that video. But yeah, it's gonna be it for this video. Next video is gonna be coilovers, so keep an eye out on that. Peace.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering. Switch gears and the fans just keep